Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to repair the P2138 on your Chevrolet Impala. The P2138 is actually a problem inside the accelerator pedal assembly. There's two position sensors, and if those two position sensors don't correlate, it'll set a P2138 code. It's fairly simple to replace this accelerator pedal. There's two 10mm bolts right here. We're going to go ahead and disconnect those, and then we're going to disconnect the connector. Take your new pedal assembly, let's go ahead and plug it in, push our lock down, go ahead and start our bolts. Let's go ahead and torque these bolts down. The torque spec on these two bolts are 44 inch-pounds. And you're done. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And as always, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Click that subscribe button. Help me help you. Go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, or click one of these other videos wherever they are. Thanks again for watching.